If you don't have the SIM eject tool, but you want to eject the SIM tray from your OPPO Reno 15, then let me quickly tell you what are some alternatives that you can use. So essentially, you are looking for something that is thin, straight, and sturdy, and something similar to the eject tool itself. And of course, we need this tool to be sturdy because we're gonna apply gentle pressure, so we don't want it to break when we do that. The best alternative will be a paper clip, so you can find a small paper clip and you want to unfold it so one end is straight, just like it is here in this case. You want to gently insert that paper clip into this SIM tray hole over here and then press the paper clip until the tray pops out. You can use a plain metal stud earring, however it should not be a hook or decorative end of that earring, and make sure it is clean and straight, and then you can just insert and press gently, just like in the case of the paperclip. You can also use a sewing needle or pin. This works well because they are usually thin, and you want to hold it steady and press straight in. You want to avoid angled pressure. And for example, if you have like a mechanical pencil tip without lead, when for example the lead is retracted or something like that, and then it might work just fine. However, you want to be careful because plastic tips can break. And if you are wondering what you should avoid, then the answer seems to be quite simple as well. So anything that can easily break or leave something inside. So this can be a toothpick or wooden stick, especially the toothpick if it's like a wooden toothpick. Then of course they can easily break when you use a little bit of pressure. Safety pins with rounded ends, screws or nails, and anything thick or blunt, it's not gonna probably work and you should avoid them. In terms of toothpicks, if you have like a plastic toothpick, then it might be fine. Just be careful when inserting it into this hole. So these are some example tools that you can use, and once you find something that is thin enough and straight enough so that it fits into this hole, then of course we can put it into that hole over here and then just push it into the phone. Use that little pressure, a little bit of force to make the SIM tray pop out. And then once it pops out, you can use your fingernails or fingers to completely remove it from the phone. And then of course once you are done, you want to push it all the way in back again into the phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.